Hello and welcome back to the another video of UiPath RPA practice project. This is the third project on this YouTube channel. And in this project, we are going to ensure again that you start and you learn everything from scratch and you understand each and every small step and you become a basic developer of UiPath RPA by the end of this project. So this project, we have 12 different videos you will find and we have 8 hours of total duration. So subscribe to the channel right now for all upcoming videos if you have not done so far. As you know that every like will be a big motivation for any YouTuber. So please hit the like button of all upcoming videos. And if you share your feedback in comments, that will be really helpful. And if you can, and I would also request you to share these videos with your friends on different social media platforms. Let's talk about the development, what we are going to cover in the development in this project of 12 videos. So first thing is that we are going to use all UiPath latest updates. So we will have 4 videos and 3 UiPath automation workflows for the dispatcher functionality. And we will have 4 UiPath automation workflows that will cover UiPath performer functionality. We will have 2 different UiPath frameworks that we will set up in this project. And we will have 2 different integrations. So when we are integrating the entire project in REFramework, we will see 2 different approaches are used. And then how the data flow between arguments, and that also we will clearly see in this project. And if you are watching this video in shorts, please subscribe to the channel and go to the complete video to understand this entire project of 12 videos. The best attraction of this project is that we are going to use UiPath Gen AI activities. So these Gen AI activities are not some third party or some other AI activities. It is owned by UiPath itself. We will see how can we make use of Gen AI activities, how can we send prompt, and then how can we add these activities to our project. And as you know that in any RPA tool, the selectors are the main thing. So we are going to focus a lot on selectors. 3 different videos of dispatcher, you will see that we are going through very complex selectors. We are using variables. We are using UiPath Explorer, UiPath UI Explorer to modify our select. So after development, the main component of the UiPath or the control room of UiPath is Orchestrator. We are going to focus on Orchestrator also. So we are going to do some different action in UiPath Orchestrator. The first thing is that to run any automation, the first thing that we need is any new machines. So what we will do is that we will create machine or by passing the machine details in UiPath Orchestrator. We will set up a UiPath unattended bot to run our automations. When we will publish packages from Studio after completing our projects, those packages will available in Orchestrator, right? So we will see how can we use those UiPath packages and create a new UiPath process. And we will also see that how can we directly run a UiPath process, and we will see that how can we update a package. So if you are watching this from shorts, the complete, you have to go to the complete video. You can subscribe to the channel or you can find the link of the playlist in description. So once we have the process, we have the package, the another part that will come in most of the project, that change will come. When we do the changes in the project, how can we push that change into our package? How can we upgrade our package which is being used by Orchestrator? That also we are going to see. The Orchestrator is mainly covered in 4 different videos. The next important part or important component of UiPath RPA is activities. So in these 12 videos of this project, we are going to use many different activities. So main important UiPath activity that is for each UI element. So we have used this for each UI element 2 times. And then we have used UiPath for each loop in this project for 3 different workflows. And we are also covering how to use continue and break statement within loops. We are going to cover in this project that how can we use data from queue to arguments, and then from arguments how can we pass that to required variable. That is also covered in this video. If you are watching this from shorts, you can go to the complete video and you can subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. And in these 12 videos, there is a lot which is covered and not mentioned on this slide right now. So we will see UiPath while loop 2 times in this entire project, and we will see how can we use different variable, how can we convert type of this variable, how can we create array type of variables in UiPath. We are going to see few more UiPath activities like how can we update a PPT. So how can we use UiPath PowerPoint presentation activities, and then how can we save PowerPoint presentation as PDF in UiPath. So UiPath dispatcher is a set of those automation workflows which will extract the required data or which will collect the data from different sources, website, PDF document, or somewhere else, and then it will push the data into queue for further processing or performer processing. So in this entire project, out of 12 videos, we have 4 videos focused on dispatcher functionality. We will go to one of the car portal. We will extract details for different cars. We will use UiPath activities and we will push that detail in UiPath Orchestrator queue. And then in the end, what we will do that we will integrate all of these workflows in a single package using REFramework. All right, so go to the complete video, go to the each video of this project. So link of all of these videos where we have covered dispatcher is available in description. In Performer, when we have what we are going to do in Performer. So when we have added data in the queue using dispatcher, then Performer will get this entire data one by one, and then it will start performing action. So let's say in your case, if you have to create a form, you have to create some PDF, you have to do some calculation. And in this project, out of 12 videos, we are going to focus 4 videos on UiPath performance functionality. And we will also see that how a UiPath automation workflow will complete the data entry on a web form. We will see that how can we use UiPath Gen AI activities to create different PowerPoint presentation. The last, we will see that how can we integrate all of these automation workflows together and we can put that under one template that is called UiPath REFramework template. And on your screen right now, you can see the solution diagram. So we have, so this is the solution. So we will have a package under our orchestrator that will be dispatcher package, and it will be the combination of 3 to 4 different UiPath workflows. And once we have that UiPath work, this UiPath workflow will push the data in UiPath queue. And you have just noticed that we are going to cover a lot on orchestrator. So from orchestrator, we will have schedules and we will have jobs, and these jobs will perform different tasks. So performer will be executed based on the scheduler. So performer will have 4 different UiPath workflows. See right now the name of those UiPath workflows, be able to make out what we are going to do at UiPath work. So in the end, yes, you advise like if you want to learn end-to-end UiPath RPA development, this is the right project for you. And how can you make best out of it? That when you are watching the video, just complete the UiPath setup and start doing the development. Try to add few more actions into your solution. So let's say if there is a button, you try to put one extra button, or you try to put one more drop down, or you may try to put some additional calculation steps into your project, and see every step or develop each workflow end to end. Don't leave that in between. And request in the end that if you like the content of the video or if you like the content of this project, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to share link of this video with your friends. Let's start the project now.